A franchise is a business you own and operate using another company's proven brand, systems, and support. You pay initial and ongoing fees to use their playbook, name, marketing, training, supply chain, while running the location day to day. The upside: faster ramp up and fewer unknowns than starting from scratch. The challenge: picking the right brand, territory, and investment structure. That's where franchise consultants help. They translate your goals and budget into clear criteria, curate matching brands, and explain unit economics, royalties, and fees. They guide you through the FDD, arrange validation calls with current owners, map territory availability, and surface funding options. During discovery, they prep questions, compare offers, and flag red flags so you make a confident decision. FranchiseFind connects you with vetted consultants who streamline the entire process.